Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. There once lived an old lady at the edge of mountain village. Her house was small. She had no children, no riches, no grand legacy, but she had something rare peace. Every day she light a little fire in her fireless, stir a pot of soup with whatever the garden gave her, and hum songs that no one else remembered. The villagers often came to her when they were sad because somehow she always smiles, even when she had nothing. One day, a strange traveler came to her door. He said, "You have lived a good life, so I will give you a choice. Three doors. Behind one is your deepest desire. Behind the others, disappointment." The old lady smiled and said, "I am too old to chase dreams." But the traveler insisted. He led her to a quiet meadow where three doors stood, one golden, one white one rusted. She paused and then walked toward the rusted door. "Why this one?" Traveler asked. She smiled. "The most beautiful things in life have always come in old own packages." She opened the door, and inside was nothing, just silence. Traveler looked at her expecting sadness, but she laughed gently and said, "I came here with nothing, and I still have my smile, so I didn't lose anything at all." The traveler opened the other two doors. One had gold, the other had a mirror showing her young and wealthy. He said, "You could have had so much more." The old lady looked at him and said, "More than what?" "More than peace, more than knowing how to smile in the dark, more than the joy of a warm soup and a quiet heart." "No, I think I already chose the right door, and with that, she turned back toward her little home, where the fire still waited, where the soup still bubbled, and where her smile was more precious than gold. Sometimes happiness is not behind the golden door. It's in the choice to smile even when the door is empty. Try to be happy in every situation. Say, "Okay." Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.